Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Wednesday, April the 8th. We have today three regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. And also in the additional of the newspaper during the corona crisis, we have several Sudokus, I think 6, I believe. But we will start first with these three regular Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, we have a double 1 here, and O, then O, a double O here, and 1, then 1. A double 1 here, and O, then O. A double O here, and 1, then 1. A double O here, and 1, and then 1. A double 1 here, and O, and then O. Then a double O here, and 1, then 1. A double 1 here, and O, then O. Double 1 here, and O, then O. A double 1 here, and O, then O. A double O here, and 1, then 1. A double 1 here, and O, then O. A double O here, and 1, and then 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Then a double O here, and 1, and then 1. A double 1 here, and O, then O. A double O here, and 1, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Double check. Yes. Then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. So not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Then between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 1 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. 1. This should be an O. Double O, and 1, and then 1. Double 1, and O, then O. Double O, and 1, then 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the fifth one here, then we have still 3 O's in a row. So not allowed. This is not a 1, not a 1. So this should be an O. Then between two O's comes an 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Double 1, and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones not allowed. So this is not an O. This should be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. So the 1 cannot be here. This should be an O. Double O, and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, and 1, then 1. Double 1, and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones there, so not allowed. This cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have here 3 ones, so not allowed. This cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Let me, yes, 1, 2, 3, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's here. If I place the O, the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, so not allowed. This cannot be an O, this should be an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the 1 here or there, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. This cannot be an 1 or there, this should be an O. Here an O and there an O. Then double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 O's there. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 1, 2, 3. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here and 1, there 1, double 1, here and O, there O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's, double O, here and 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here and O, there and O, double O, here and 1, there and 1, double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O, double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1, double 1, here and O, there and O, and double O, here and 1, there and 1. Finished in 7 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Download a PDF file if you want to solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute for the second 1A medium Sudoku. Thank you for now, and bye bye.